Sajid from Nailah's Word Bazaar, and welcome to the world of words where learning is fun. Today's word of the day is pusillanimity. 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 The definition of pusillanimity is lack of courage or determination. This word is derived from the French word pusillanimité. Someone who lacks courage and is afraid to speak out is known as pusillanimity. An example of a sentence with the word pusillanimity is, the pusillanimous boy would not stand up to his enemies. Some of the synonyms of pusillanimity are timidity, feeble, cowardice, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and stay updated for more words.